people, today I'm going to be showing you a very simple workout routine that you can use to keep fit and keep flexible. Now you may ask, why do I need to be flexible? It's important because being stiff and not being able to do things as basic as touching your toes and rubbing your back could be quite frustrating sometimes. As you get older, it can become even worse, especially with arthritis and other age-related ailments setting in. So we never really know the damage that our bad habits can cause us until we get older. So yes, not keeping fit and flexible can be a bad habit that you could regret as you age. So I'm bringing us this very simple, flexible and fitness routine that we can do either in our bedrooms or in our living rooms. So you can see I'm swaying from side to side, hopping from side to side. This is the warm-up exercise before the main exercise. Okay, before you ever start any exercise, it's very important that you take time out to warm up, between 3 minutes to 5 minutes to 10 minutes, and even more depending on the kind of exercise that you want to do. Since many countries are in and out of lockdown, you may not have the chance to go out jogging, running or walking. So right there in your living room or your bedroom, you can just do these simple steps. You can do a dance, you can sway from side to side, you can hop, whichever way you choose to do it. You can act like you're on a treadmill, you can act like you're skipping, you can mimic skipping or hopping or jumping or even jogging on the spot. You can do it depending on what suits you best. Okay, so you can see my own warm-up routine. You could follow me right there. I'm hopping from side to side, front to back. If you get tired in between, you can take a little rest, a few seconds, and then continue. Okay, take a rest, but don't rest for too long. Apart from just hopping from side to side, it is important to allow your arms move as well, like you can see mine in the video. So you do this to get your heart beating. You notice that you're sweating. And then once we're done with the warm-up, we're going to do this routine from our head right down to our toes. I know that the head is made of skull, there are no joints or anything, so I guess all you can do is massage your head, but we're going to start from our necks. We're going to roll clockwise and anti-clockwise. It's called a neck roll. So we start from our chin to our chest, and then roll it to the side where our ear touches our shoulder, and then roll it to the back, and then roll it to the side again where our other ear touches our other shoulder, and then back to our chest, to our chin to our chest, and then roll it round just like that. Try to keep your eyes open so you don't get dizzy. So you roll it like this for about 3 to 5 times, and then you go the other direction about 3 to 5 times as well. Now we can also move the neck from one side to another, as you can see. And then the next workout we're going to do, the next stretch we're going to do is our shoulder rolls. We're going to roll it backwards and then roll it forward. So bring it forward like this, up and then back, and then rest. We can use our fingers, place it on our thighs to support ourselves, and go front, up and back, front, up and back, and then that's how it rolls. And then we can go in the opposite direction, back, up and front. So as you do this, you can feel the pressure in your shoulders and your arms, your upper arms. Now the next is another kind of shoulder roll, where we take small circles first, then increase it a little, and then go a step further to increase it. a little more, and then we stay. You can do this for like 3 to 5 times depending on your strength or how it best suits you. Then we do it in the opposite direction, just the same way, 3 to 5 times, and then we stop and come back to position. Another way we can roll our shoulders is to put our hands on our shoulders and roll forward and then roll backwards, just as you can see in the video. Now all of this work on your shoulders, your arms, and your chest, so you may want to shake out all the tension that you feel. And then the next we would work on our midriff. So put your hands on your waist and sway from side to side like you see. Be sure to face the back. When you sway from side to side, be sure to let your face look back, like make your face go all the way back. And then you can also change the position of your hands for more effectiveness. And then we could do this butterfly moves. The next we're going to do is clench your fists and then thrust them to the back of your, thrust them to your back like you can see. Hold it for about 3 to 5 counts. And then the next is this. Bring your arms together, pull them back. And then you continue doing that for 3 to 5 times as well. This works on your chest and your arms. Remember to shake them out when you're done. Now put your hands on your waist and then push your waist from side to side, as you can see. This helps work on your midriff as well. And then drop yourself to one side while holding your waist. Also drop yourself to the other side. Now you would feel the tension on your waist or in your waist. You'll notice that here I'm not holding my waist. You would feel a little more tension when you do that, and then this is even more tension when you raise your hands this way from side to side. Now this can tone your waist, tone and trim your waist as well if you do it every day or every other day. Now this works on our midriff, our hips, down to our inner thighs, okay? I call this the torso twist. You go all the way round about 3 to 5 times and then change direction and go all the way round again. Now if you're not that fit, you might be hearing the cracks and feeling everything cracking. It's quite refreshing. Now the next we're going to do is put your hands on your waist and squat this way. This also works on your thighs and your legs and your hips. So you could squat and hold it down for 3 to 5 counts and then shake out everything to loosen up. You could also lean forward this way and then sway from side to side. This also helps to loosen you up. It's good that you do one side and the other, and then the other, and then the other. Put your hands forward and backward. Now this works on your thighs and your legs as well, alongside your inner thighs, okay? It just works from your hips down to your legs. It works on your hips down to your legs. It's a very good stretch, okay? Now this is good for your outer thighs or your upper thighs. That's how far I like to take it, but if you cannot take it that far, it's fine. This move works on your buttocks region and your thighs as well. It also works on your back. So you can do 3 to 5 thrusts and then hold it there for 3 to 5 counts. And then turn over and do the same on the other side. Hold it there for 3 to 5 counts. Now the next thing we'll do is to shake it out. Now for this move, I like to do it on the floor as a cobra stretch, but if you've had any issues with your waist in the past, you may want to be careful with that. Now this other move you see me doing is the ankle roll. You roll your ankles clockwise and anti-clockwise. And then the next you want to do is the balls under your toes or beneath your toes. Okay, when you move like that, it kind of needs that area. It kind of needs that section of your foot. So you see we've done from our head to our feet, and you shake it out. And then the next thing you want to do is sit and relax. Now if you can't sit in this position, it's fine, okay? But just sit, relax, take deep breaths in and out, and just relax. So if you do this every day, or every other day rather, for the next couple of weeks, you'll notice that at first you may notice some pains in some parts of your body, but with time they'll all fade away. I hope this helps you. Until I come your way next time, keep fit and keep flexible. God bless you.